Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by assembling parts and laying the base. Place the furnace, then put a hopper feeding into its top and a chest on the hopper. Once done, add a hopper behind the furnace feeding into its side for output. Make sure fuel goes into the furnace from the front hopper. That keeps smelting continuous. At this stage, you are creating the input, smelt, and output lanes so automation works reliably without manual transfers. You now build the control. Attach a comparator to read the furnace burn progress and output signal strength, then route that through a repeater and redstone dust to a torch-based pulse circuit. Once done, use that pulse to toggle a hopper lock so input items move only when smelting is ready. This prevents overflowing and loss. Make sure the repeater delay is tuned so one pulse unlocks a single item transfer. This stabilizes throughput and maintains furnace efficiency. You finish by loading the input chest with raw items and fuel, then watch the system cycle. Items should move one at a time into the furnace and out to the output chest. If you notice jams, make sure hopper orientations are correct and tweak the repeater delay to prevent multiple item transfers. If it still stalls, check the comparator is reading the furnace and redstone lines are continuous. Fixing those restores automatic smelting fast.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.